Did you know that 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results? If your website isn't on that front page, you could be missing out on most of your potential visitors. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO is the key to enhancing your website's visibility and attracting more visitors by ranking higher on search engines like Google. Many website owners struggle to get noticed online. The competition is fierce, and without the right SEO practices, your site can end up buried under countless competitors. Poor search rankings often mean less traffic, fewer leads, and limited growth opportunities for your website. To improve your rankings, you need to focus on effective SEO strategies. Start with keyword optimization. Research the words and phrases people use to find content like yours. Next, apply on-page SEO techniques like optimizing titles, headers, and meta descriptions to make your content more relevant to search engines. Finally, building quality backlinks from reputable sites boosts your site's authority, making it more likely to rank well. Consider this: one business saw a 300% increase in web traffic by implementing these SEO strategies. Through careful keyword selection, on-page tweaks, and a solid backlink strategy, they moved from the third page to the first, bringing in thousands of new visitors and drastically improving conversions. SEO may seem complex, but it's incredibly rewarding. By focusing on keyword optimization, on-page SEO, and backlinks, you can transform your website's visibility and set it up for success. What's been your experience with SEO? Drop a comment below and share your challenges or successes. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to boost your online presence.